Welcome back to the Do-It-Yourself Auto Repair channel. I'm Jeff with All Around Auto Techs, working on a 2003 BMW 530i. I already replaced the compressor. It's pretty straightforward, other than got to get to it from the bottom, and it's only 3 bolts, 12 millimeter, and then you take the lines off, those 2 lines. It's pretty simple. But also the receiver dryer, which is down here, kind of difficult to get to. You'll need to take these 2 off. It's right here, 5/16. And then there's 2 here, 1 here, and 1 here. That bolts into this. Go ahead and unplug everything you can here from the light bulbs, all that stuff. All that good stuff. Unplug that too. I hadn't unplugged it yet, but also loosen these bolts here. Let's see here. It's a 30 Torx 30. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those, and what that does is it pulls this up enough to where you can finagle this out, and now you have more room to take off that bolt there. There's another one over here. See it there? 8 millimeter, 5/16. And these 2 bolts here. Unhook the wire, of course, from here. And then that thing should be able to pop out.